Hey everyone, and welcome to the final week of American Lit. This week, after reading Call of the Wild, you're actually going to watch the movie and write an essay about it. But before I really dive into it, I do have an announcement to make. Some of you might have already heard this, but next year I will no longer be at Platte Valley High School. My husband's being relocated to Austin, Texas, so unfortunately, this is my last year at Platte Valley, and I'm really sad to say so. It's been great teaching you all, and I've had an amazing experience, and I'm going to miss you all so much. And now, I guess, to get into it. So, what we're going to do is y'all are going to do a film review. So if you go to the class notebook here, you can find all of the content that you will need. Obviously, I'll post this video right here. But heading over, you're going to go to the content library and then go to Unit 2, Call of the Wild, and then go to Call of the Wild movie review right here. This is due Friday the 16th, and the movie is right here for you. It is in black and white. It's an older one. It has Clark Gable. Fun fact about Clark Gable is that he served in World War II, and he was such a famous actor at the time that Hitler actually put a hit on him to bring him in alive so he could meet him. Just kind of a crazy factoid there. And then here is the film review assignment for you. So the first paragraph, you're going to summarize the movie. What are some of the major plot details? Then in your thesis, which is the main point of your argument, you're going to say, how does the movie compare to the novel, and do you think the movie does it justice? So you're going to say something like, in the movie Call of the Wild, Clark Gable does a really great job portraying John Thornton. That is true to the book. However, the rest of the events are not similar, or something like that. And that'll show that you watched the movie and that you have this comparison between the two at the same time. The second paragraph is, how does the movie compare to the novel? Are there any similarities between the two, and what are the major differences? So just that compare and contrast. Obviously, Buck isn't even the main character of the movie, just a hint. Do you think the movie does it justice? This is your own opinion. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Kind of like what you would see on Amazon for a review. Why or why not? And then when you conclude, you're going to say what you think they should do a movie for Call of the Wild, because all of the Call of the Wild movies are not from Buck's perspective, interestingly enough. So you're going to say what you think. How would you make this movie? What would you do instead? So 4 paragraphs, a little bit more work because it is your final. Let me know if you have any questions or you need help. As always, office hours are 6 to 7 tonight and Wednesday night, and I hope to see you all there. Bye. Have a good week.